My name is Saranjeet Kaur Bhogal. I am the co-founder of the RSE Asia Association, and I am presenting a talk on the early career research viewpoint on future vision for DEI in RSE at this workshop. I am a statistician currently based in India. On the global map, India is a country located in South Asia, surrounded by water bodies in the south, southwest, and southeast, and land on the north, northwest, and northeast, giving us a range of different climatic conditions throughout the year. Over the past few years, I have been working for various communities like the Julia Language Organization, with whom I completed the Google Summer of Code in 2020. I am a certified trainer for the carpentries. In early 2021, I worked on a project to build the first draft of the R Development Guide. Further, I participated in the Digital Infrastructure Incubator organized by the Code for Science and Society to work on building a community around the R Development Guide. I've been a volunteer with the R Ladies Global Team too. I co-founded the RSE Asia Association as a cohort 4 mentee of the Open Life Science program, and I'm taking that work forward as a mentee of the Society of Research Software Engineering. Recently, I was selected as a founding committee member of the NumFocus Project Incubator, which focuses on creating pathways for open source projects to become NumFocus affiliated. There are several engagements that have helped my early career work. I have tremendously benefited from working in open source and open science through mentorships and volunteer work for various communities. I've been a part of international working groups with supportive spaces. The stipends and supports that I have received in the open source and open science world have enabled me to present my work on various international platforms. Being a statistician, I have been a regular user of software. My curiosity of learning how the software that I use daily is built led me to step into the open source world, and I gradually started contributing to it. I have been very fortunate to work with many mentors over the course of time. Some of them are a part of this workshop. Having mentors have allowed me to focus and direct my attention to projects that matter to me, and I also got to know about other initiatives that interest me. The global communities and working groups helped me gain confidence to work with an international network. They have provided exposure to up-to-date learning resources that have helped expand my knowledge and include me as a part of crucial discussions. The communities that I am a part of have been successful in providing safe spaces to openly discuss many different ideas and issues, helping me to know about the different perspectives and lived experiences. I must admit that I used to be very hesitant to use social media earlier, but now that I'm a part of welcoming communities, I feel safe to engage on social media like Twitter and LinkedIn. Most of the open source and open science work has helped me to learn and work with individuals from various parts of the world, and learning is no more restricted to the limits set by geographical borders. As a future vision for DEI in RSC, I would suggest that we allow and support attending events and working on open source and open science related initiatives through co-working spaces, which help break the barriers to have access to a decent and quiet working space during remote and hybrid events. We should also make sure that an early career participant does not lack the infrastructure to work and or attend events remotely or through hybrid mode. We should also continue providing mentorship and support from around the globe. Think about having open learning for RSCs for higher educational degrees with the curriculum that is primarily designed around open source, open science, and FAIR principles in addition to the domain study. By open learning for RSC, I mean we could marry the concepts that are already present in the Open Life Science program and in the Carpentries program, where we could take the ideas of collaborations, cohort, and mentorship similar to the Open Life Science program and combine it with the teaching style followed by the Carpentries to come up with a curriculum that RSCs can learn openly. Why is there a need for open learning for RSC? This is because the working culture all over the globe has become largely remote and hybrid. While such flexibility has been baked into the working environments, there is little thought about the curriculum and processes of learning that individuals are expected to go through. Following only the traditional approaches to receive higher education is resulting into disjointed and unreliable learning environments with little consideration towards the paradigm shift that has occurred due to the pandemic. Open learning would also provide a chance to those from non-traditional backgrounds and non-linear career paths to learn and grow their skills. And it would further reduce the barrier to receiving quality education, especially for those who need to go through several system-related challenges for gaining admission in various universities. That is all from me. Again, I'm Saranjeet. My Twitter handle is @QWERTYQuesting, and you can also reach out to me on my email address and GitHub account. And you can follow the updates on the RSE Asia Association on our website, Twitter, GitHub, or directly write an email to us. Thank you.